So I'm going to show you how to put the mop kit together. The first thing when you open the box, you're probably going to want to extend this handle a little bit. So if you twist this collet, the handle will pull out some. And you take the frame out of the box. Open up the plastic, and this other collet stayed in there. So I'm going to reattach this just by putting it on and giving it a half a turn. So now I'm going to stick this handle in till it seats, and then I'm going to twist it, which threads it in, and it'll seat, and then I'm going to tighten this collet. And that's how you put it together. It's super simple. It should never come apart unless you want it to. The other cool thing about this frame is it's got a locking mechanism on the swivel that prevents it from going side to side. So if you ever want to do walls or ceilings, it's really helpful for that. And then to unlock it, you just turn it a quarter turn again, and it'll swivel 360 degrees. Thanks.